Well, we made it over to Bennett Audimotive's holiday open house. So I know they've got a ton of cool Audis here. So just taking a look at what's out in the parking lot right now, you can see a bunch of really cool Audis. Here's a nice S8, one of my dream cars from a while back. Nice older Quattro here. So let's go inside and take a look and see what kind of cool Audis they got inside. Okay, so here we are inside the shop, and you can see all the specialized parts that Bennett has. And let's take a look at their car. This race car looks really cool that they've set up, heavily modified. Look at it inside. It's all stripped out, ready to go racing. Oh, it's really cool. Look at all the structural stuff that they've got in there. A lot of engine mods that they've done. So really cool car. Okay, so we're back here in the workshop, and you can see all the interesting cars that they're working on. Check out this engine bay. I think this is RS4 maybe. We'll check it out in a bit. Another wagon here, and ooh, check out the heads are off of this one. Someone's doing some engine work, and I wonder if it's from this one. This nice green older Quattro. It looks like it's been painted. That's a really, really interesting color. Wonder what kind of green that is. Looks real nice, but yeah, it looks like it's been gone over pretty extensively. And here it is, RS6 that we saw from the other side, and this is another RS, I'm guessing also a 6. They got that Montana plate on there. And then check out this interesting Audi. It's got some Porsche bits inside there. So this is, I think the owner told me it was an 85 Audi Quattro. Really, really clean inside. Look at those Recaro seats in there. He drove it all the way down from Truckee, so he had a bit of a hike to get down here, but beautiful, absolutely beautiful Quattro. Looks like another one that they're working on. Looks like it's just got painted this nice metallic blue. Really nice. It's got some engine performance mods, I think, probably going in, but it's part getting put back together. Look at the interior. Check out all that wiring. Here's another great Quattro, bright red. Really, really nice, really clean. Man, these are some gorgeous looking cars. Just absolutely gorgeous, stunning car. Like the graphic. Check out this one. Nice big old V6 bi-turbo in this, what is this, RS4? Check out those mirrors. I love the chrome mirrors. Really nice, really clean inside. And oh, it looks like it's owned by Audi Bennett Audimotive. I guess it's their shop car, but it is an RS4. Look at that leather. Almost looks brand new from the showroom. Hardly any wrinkles on it whatsoever. Beautiful car. All right, so here we are in their, I guess, showroom floor. So these are cars that are for sale. This nice Quattro here in white. Looks like they're replacing some of the bits on it. It's a 1986 Sport, Quattro Sport. I think they're replacing like the mirror. Take a look here. Yep, looks like the mirror, maybe the windshield got replaced, so they got to put the mirror back on. Some other bits off of this. Another one right here. Looks like this one's also for sale. I'm scared to ask how much because I probably can't afford it. But these are beautiful. Another beautiful car. Just waiting to hit the slopes. Really clean. And then what do we got here next to it? Oh, it's a Dodge. What is this? This is a really interesting old Dodge here for sale as well. So Audi isn't your thing, you can pick up this Dodge. Check out the Ram hood ornament on it. That is so cool to see that. Oh, it even says Dodge Brothers. All right, outside here where other people brought their Quattros over. Some of the nicest set of Audi Quattros I've seen in one place, man. There's so many of them in one place. 83 euro here, I'm assuming. That's what the plate says. Yeah, just beautiful. I'm glad these guys drove these. I think they were out, there was a drive before the office party. Started out in Napa, and they drove their cars, I think through Lake Berryessa and whatever, and then they ended up here for the holiday party. So these aren't garage queens, man. These guys took these Audi Quattros out on the road, drove it through some of the back roads, and then all the way here to join the office party. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys a quick look back here in the hallway where there's some more engine parts. Don't normally get to see these from the front of the house. Glad they invited us to the back of the house to check things out.